Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the manufacturing date of your ACER Chromebook 315. To check the manufacturing date of your device, you simply have to close the lid and check the back side of it. And on the back side you will be able to find the label on which we can find info like serial number and also the MFG date, which stands for manufacturing date. Though I gotta focus the camera so we can see that the manufacturing date of this device is October 14th, 2019, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.